Alright, what is going on, everybody? Finally back on the YouTube thing. Today I am starting to do a rebuild on my RSX. It was turboed for a minute and then doing a K20. It was all K24 because I blew up the K20. So now I'm going to do a K24 K20. So get more VTEX in. So right now I just got it pulled out again. Here's K24, and I'm gonna be taking out all this other shit. Got all these loosened out already, except these two. But once I take that off, do all that shit. I do need to go to the parts store, O'Reilly's or something, and get their pulley tool so I can take that shit off because shit's on there. Yeah, I'm gonna take this head off, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, it's another day. Already started working on the motor. Forgot to record. I'm having my girlfriend do this. Oh shit. Okay. So, hold like that. Make it straight. Okay. Push. Yep. Awesome. Shit. Alright, taking the end caps to these. Just loosen them and then take those off. But yeah, everything looks pretty damn good. Ooh, crap. There you go. Wasn't really beat on, so about to put the new pistons on. See what I can get reassembled back up today, I hope. And then put the trans in, paint the car, do all that.
Paint the car. For what?
I want to paint it yellow.
Paint that car. Head ass once in my
Paint it yellow. I'm just kidding. Yep, I don't build the engines here. She does.
Or what?
Yeah, did you loosen them? There you go. It's fucking about to die. Shit. Ooh, look at it. Fart. There we go. Yep. I'm gonna have her fucking scrape all this off. I don't want to do it. Alright. Alright, another day at this. Pretty much got everything off. I don't know if I recorded the last clip of me taking out all the pistons here. So, I think first thing I'm going to do is hone all this out since it's like fucking smooth out here. That's not good. Everything else looks fucking fire. Probably going to have to repaint the block a little bit. Got a little oily out here. Jank ass fucking oil pump right there. This is about it. I bought a ball hone, a little flex hone thingy right here. Amazon. I don't remember how much this was, but it was like 20 bucks maybe. Yep, right there. Fire. Just gonna get a drill. It's just gonna go in like that. It's gonna be fire. Yeah, pretty much. I'll put you guys on tripod, do all these real quick, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so let's see. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference or not. God damn it. Alright, let's turn that down. Just turn it off actually. Here we go. See all of them here. Looking fine. Pretty there. Pretty fire. Got it all cleaned. Looking mint. It will fucking focus. Fire. There you go. Now, next step for me to do, I gotta work on the water, not the water pump, the fuel, oil pump. There you go. Type S oil pump. I gotta modify it, cut out a little bit of it. Show you guys how to do that. So yeah, let's get the shit turned upside down. Let's see. Okay. All right. Fire. There we go. Got my RBB pistons from the TSX. So those would clear the head, and then Type S oil pump. Fire. Okay. Alright. Sit back on here. So, this is where your oil pump is gonna. Yep, it's gonna go this way. See how that doesn't fit? We're gonna need to clearance this section right here where my finger's going. So this dowel pin will go right in that little hole. That'll meet up with that, and it should be good. I do need some new chains, new guides. I bought all those with the new tensioner. I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, so another thing when you're doing a K24 or K20, there is, once you switch over to the Type S oil pump, there's just going to be this oil plug here. If you don't take it off, you're going to have some oil pressure issues. Shit. Yep, I'm going to have to fucking tap into that real quick. Alright, so here's this little fucking thing. Drilled out right here. Awesome. Okay, so pretty much it was like right here. Damn, I'm gonna need to thread that. So sometimes it's pretty much luck, to be honest. There's no way to really tell. Some of the K24 blocks, they have this thing threaded here. My case it's not, so I'm gonna have to tap it in there. No biggie, but so that's the little piece. All I did was just drill it out, drill it a little bit, and it just popped right out. Or you can get like a, what are those? Those screws, little screws things. Drill them in there, and then just reverse it all the way out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. I'm gonna tap that, plug it with a bolt, and then it should be good to go. Alright, so here we are again. I did thread it there. I did it with 5/16, right? Yep, 5/16 thread. Get that done. Now I'm gonna plug the hole up. Make sure you clean out all the fucking shit, all the metal shavings. After that, plug it up with the bowl, and then I will get started on the oil pump. Hi. We are gonna be putting on the head. I'm gonna do the head gasket. Last video. Oh shit! Almost lost my downstar bolts. Whoops. It's a fucking mess in here. Anyways, forgot to buy one of these windows tray, K20 windows tray. Totally forgot about it. Finally came in today. Yep, there's that. Finished that, and then I got a Cometic head gasket here, multi layers, blah blah blah. doesn't matter. But this is the K20. It's a Z3 head. From what I've heard, I think it's, I don't know, they're pretty much all the same heads, but says this one fucking flows a little bit better than the A2s and the Z1s. So yeah, we'll see. So right now, all I'm gonna do is copper spray the head gasket with some Permatex gasket spray. If it loads. Yep, just one of those. Do a light coat and put all that shit back in there. It's all nice and neat. I still do need to scuff this up, repaint it, and I still need to torque down the bolts for rod bolts. All the caps, I still need to torque those down. These are all good. Got ARP head studs. Invest in some of these because these are fucking dope. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't think I recorded me actually putting on the pistons, but there's all videos out there, so I don't really need to show you guys. So yeah, got this cut out a little bit. Took a little bit too much off on the little threads, but it should work fine. That's about it. Got that used, 50 bucks. Fuck yeah, baby. Facebook Marketplace. Alright, so yeah, let's get it going. Alright, so got that on there, blah blah blah. We are gonna need to fucking put the dowel pins back in, so should have put that on there before. Ah, fuck. Fuck. Damn it. Okay. Alright, but the dowel pins anyways, should be on the actual intake side, both of them. So, just like that. It's gonna go on where these are. And the head's gonna sit on there nice and tight, baby.